Hey y'all, it's me here back with another install. Quick question for you guys. Do you ever have those days where you just don't feel like doing the necessary steps to get your wig on? Well, this video is basically a quick step-by-step on how to get that wig on, step out and get out the house, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some shine and jam or edge control or whatever, and I'm going to slick my edges back, and then I'm going to go in with the Gossipy freeze spray, and I'm going to go ahead and freeze those edges in place. So this is like a quick way to just get your hair, your natural hair, out the way. And typically what I do is I just basically place my hair into a bun at the back. I braid the ends and then I flip it up and just kind of like get it flat as I can at the back. It's still going to be a little hump there, but it does what it do. So before I go any further into this video, I want to jump into the wig that I'm going to be using for this install. So today I'm using the Afsister hair. They sent me this amazing wig. It's a curly wig. They're using the new Swiss lace, which I absolutely love. And in the package, you're gonna get the the cap, the comb, extra band. And here we have a regular lace. I'm gonna go ahead and do a lace test for you guys. So we have a regular lace, then we're gonna have the transparent lace, and the next one is going to be the actual lace that we're going to be using today, which is the Swiss lace. This is the newest, hottest lace out there, you guys, and you absolutely have to try this lace. You're going to see how well it just melts completely into my skin. Like the rest of them melted decently, but this one was basically stuck to my skin. You could barely even see it for real. Like once it's heated up, like look at that. So that's the lace that I'm going to be using today, and it's just amazing. So the wig that they sent me is a curly wig. It comes with it's a curly frontal. It comes with a deep middle part, but the sides go pretty deep as well. Really nice, already pre-plucked. It's lightly bleached. Look at that, it looks amazing. Not much shedding at all. All right, you can get a deep center part with that. Look at that. Yep, extra band. I love how the bands are placed, so you can make it tighter if you want. So it doesn't necessarily need to be plucked, but I just like to be extra, so I like to go in and pluck a little bit more than what they give us, just so I could get it a little bit more natural for myself. But like I said, if you're a new beginner and you just want to throw the wig on, you do not need to pluck it at all. It comes nicely plucked already, but I like to be a little bit extra, so I like to go in and pluck it out some more. All right, guys, so before I even install it, I like to get it a little wet. It's a little bit better to work with when it's a little wet. So I wet it, comb it through, make sure it's nice and smooth, and then I'm gonna test it again for you guys on my arm to show you guys how amazing this lace is. I'm really loving it. It's freaking natural. I just love everything about this lace, and look at that on my arm, guys. Wow. Yeah, I don't think I'm going back. So anyways, I'm so happy I got a brown cap for my head, because we're not gonna melt the cap to our heads today. We're just gonna slide it on our head like that, and I'm glad I don't have to put no makeup on it. It matches my skin tone pretty well, so this is gonna have to do. So I like to pull it back some, and then I'm gonna go in and slide the wig over. Like I said, this is a quick get up and go. Like I'm about to run to the store real quick, or I'm about to, I don't know, go to dinner, And sometimes I do like to do the baby hair stuff. I like to do it off my head, but today we're gonna do an example of if you had to do it on your head. So Obviously they did not do the baby hair for you, so you're gonna have to do that yourself. If you even like baby hair, you really don't need it, because this lace is just flawless and it's gonna melt perfectly into your head and look like it's coming out your scalp. But I like to do a little baby hair, so we're gonna cut it today on my head. And as you can see, if I get a close-up of that, it already looks like the lace is just my lace, like it's my head. It's my hair coming up out my head. Yeah, guys, please don't do those long baby hairs. I think I messed up a little bit with these long baby hairs because some kept coming into it. But you like your baby hairs to be a little bit shorter. Shorter they are, the more natural they look. So I like to cut mine a little shorter and just swoop them. You can always use mousse or anything for curls to basically define your curls. And look at that, it looks like it's already on and it's stable, but it's not, y'all. So we're gonna go back in and we're gonna make it stick to my head, because you're not about to run out the house with it lifting like that, even though it looks like it's in place and you really could like go to your trash can. But we're not gonna go to the store looking like that, so we're gonna just put it down. And what I do, I go ahead and put the Gossipy glue spray along my hairline and just kind of tap it on there. Yeah, I like to just lay the lace on it. I don't want to press it down too much, because then the hair is gonna get sticky to your skin. So I like to just lay the lace on there. And that's, like I said, I like to do this baby hair stuff off my head, but you know, today we're gonna do it on my head. But it's a little bit harder and it's gonna take some time, but y'all got this. We got this, y'all. Wow, y'all, I just love how natural this looks. And like I said, this wig is from Afsister Hair, and this is their new lace, which is a Swiss lace. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached just a little bit, and you can wear it right out the box. There I go with the final install, y'all. This is what it looks like. This is quick, easy. It probably take you about a good 15-20 minutes to get this done, and you're out the door. No braids needed. Just slip that cap on, slip that wig on, and it looks like it's coming up right up out my scalp. And I can go about my business, get my work done, get whatever I need to get done, eat lunch, eat dinner, you know, hang out and don't have to worry about it too much. Do not let nobody pull on it, y'all. Don't let them pull on it because it's gonna come right up. But for this, this just looks great to just go somewhere chill and hang out, and not too much of an activity. Don't go on a roller coaster because it's gonna fly off your head. So just go ahead, go to dinner, go grocery shopping, go to meetings, whatever, and just show off because this is coming right up out my scalp.